Namaskar. Hello friends. Today being the International Women's Day, my best wishes to all the women. As you say, women are the best creation of the God. Indeed, they are the best creation of the God because they take care of our home, they take care of our workplace, they take care of our society, they are equally burdened to upbringing of our children and so forth. So, when I am telling about all these things regarding the responsibility of children, there is always a dual responsibility, which is rather than a male, they take more responsibility for, and especially in today's context or today's scenario where there is a financial requirement is more now. So, everybody is busy and everybody is taking care of their financial part, everybody taking care of the society part or on the front in the home sector also. So when somebody doing like this kind of job or profession they are doing performing such kind of job, there is always a tendency of wear and tear. So there is always tendency of health issue would be there, which is obvious and which is happening. And when I'm telling about these things, especially in context to new age women, when I'm telling about the new age women means it is not those who are only going to the office. New age women are those also they are staying in the home, taking care of the children in complete different manner, taking care of their elders in different manner. Not only them also, no, I'm telling about those ladies or those women who those are like picking the bricks or taking the bricks in the construction area. They're taking the doing a street business, street vendor selling vegetables, some selling tele bhaja, all these things in the streets. So because its primarily requirements are more, you have to do a lot, you have to work more. So that is on the that is creating a different kind of added health issue for the woman in today's scenario. So my discussion is more like how this Ayurveda can help this kind of health issue to tackle this kind of health issue of the woman in today's context. So a survey says that there is at least a 92% of the female having gynecological problem. 92%. Can you imagine? Out of 100, 92% having a gynecological problem. Uh, I'm not telling about only gynecological problem. Definitely there will be that is a completely different health issue which is particularly for the women. But I'm telling about which is also there is which is related to the male also. Like if I'm telling about the cardiovascular condition or cardiovascular diseases, it is more vulnerable. The ladies or the women are more vulnerable to the cardiovascular condition. The ladies are more vulnerable to osteoarthritis, which is a primarily both male and female get affected, but the percentage of people affected with osteoarthritis more are female. And anxiety, depression, all these things are more to ladies rather than the gents. So all these kind of diseases which is happening or which is normally happened nowadays, it is more like the females are more prone to it. So how this Ayurveda can help in this all this segment, all in all these diseases, that is my primary focus. We'll go one by one. First of all, our the primarily if I'll say regarding the ladies is their most important is the social positioning, how they are socially positioned, what is their environment where they are staying, or what is their lifestyle. These are the three major things which is always being a big concern for this kind, because primarily whatever disease I told, it is more like cardiovascular, be it is cardiovascular diseases or be it is anxiety, depression, or be it is osteoarthritis, or even if you will say ki now in present like situation there is a different kind of disease called fibromyalgia, which is more prone, which is more to the ladies nowadays. And there is called as migraine, which is if you, every one in the 25 ladies you find migraine problem, one in 100 you find fibromyalgia problem. These are all certain new disease which is coming one by one. And another is when you are, I'm telling about this issue, gynecological issue, there is called a PCOD. This polycystic ovary syndrome is there, which is more like if you see there is polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS is everywhere. or this fibroid conditions. Everywhere you find this kind of all the, you go for a any kind of ultrasonography, you find this kind of problems are there. So these kind of primary problems is not related to any kind of other things other than which is more responsible, or we are primarily the ladies who take more burden for performing more duty. They are the more responsible because their body, they put their body to, they push their body to that extent where definitely this kind of situation created. And this is, as you say, this is these are called lifestyle disorders, which definitely our with our normally with our what you called in lifestyle, if you manage like properly, if things can be changed definitely. When I'm telling all these things about taking care of ourselves, or taking care of our lifestyle, everything, which is always not possible, because it is because our work schedule, or their work schedule is such, they may think something, they may not do it. But Ayurveda way, there is something, some drugs are there, or some herbs are there, which is definitely helpful in this regard. If it is requirement of iron, which is primarily happens in the puberty condition, or maybe there is a requirement of calcium, which is happens in menopause condition, there is a definitely replacement in Ayurveda which can be taken care of all this problem very nicely. So I'll suggest all these kind of problem, which is lifestyle related problems, which is happens, like if it is a cardiovascular condition, I'll just say ki this is a regular routine work style which is necessary for every woman to get rid of this kind of cardiovascular conditions, which is primarily what happens in cardiovascular condition. If your food and everything you have to take care of, so that there is no be added amount of that fat which will be deposited in the artery, which should not be happen. There should not be less amount of anxiety, or there should be less amount of depression, which definitely you can help yourself to get rid of out of it. There is certain, of course, certain drugs are there called as ashwagandha, called as satabari, which is definitely helpful in this regard. If you take, you can take care, you can take care those herbs, which will definitely, if you are not taking care of your lifestyle regularly, you can take these herbs, which will be single drug herbs are there, Satavari, Ashwagandha, then Bidari, then Jastimadhu, all these things are there, which is very much helpful in this condition. So when you are taking care of your children, when you are taking care of your society, your family, I'll definitely suggest you take care of yourself, and take care of all your health nicely. Thank you.